What's up, y'all? Rob here. I am here in Austin today because me and the wife were out of town checking out a conference called FinCon, financial conference. But anyway, while I was here, I was coming to see a buddy. He was gonna show me, he's an agent in the area, and I wanted to see the 3D printed houses. I don't know if you guys heard about them, but they're just starting to do them right now. And this is like the first neighborhood in Austin. I'm in Austin, by the way, and checking out the 3D printed houses. What they are is they're not totally 3D. They're like half and half right now. But I just want to show you guys what the future will hold, right? Because eventually it'll probably do the full 3D printed houses or whatever. So let's check out the first ones. They're a little pricey right now. Hopefully over time they'll get better as the 3D printers become more available. But let's go inside and check it out real quick. These are the first four, by the way. Check it out. There's the wife over there. See that bottom area right there? That's all printed out by the printers. And then they still use traditional, parts and wood and stuff for the rest of it after that. It takes about 1 week. They say 1 week to print out the 3D part, 3D cement part, right? So let's go in. Kitchen, sink. See that wall there? Got the cabinets. So there's one little closet over here. Let me show you guys this real quick. That's just a little pantry closet in the kitchen. Utility area. Alright, let's go to the left. How cool is that? Let's get a close up there. Look. That's all like cement. Ceiling, the recessed lighting, all the way throughout the whole downstairs area right here. All right, let's go this way. So this is the first bedroom downstairs. It's real tight. I said leave the walls this way on purpose so you kind of know what you're getting and just paint it, Let's go. And there's a bathroom over here. This is the back door they have where the carport is. We'll come out here later. Let's go upstairs, check it out. Looking upstairs. All right, let's check it out. This is the master bedroom with the closet is right here. As soon as you come in, it's the master here. Big old window. But you gotta cover that up. You're facing the street. Vaulted ceilings. there's 3 other bedrooms over here. Little ones, but there are 3 more. So let's see how big that closet is. Tight. That's one. And all the bathrooms here. It's a shared bathroom. You gotta make a hard left over here to toilet area. It's a weird little space. I'm not sure what they're going for exactly right there, but that's a shower. Like I said, there's only 4 in the neighborhood. I guess they're just getting started, and eventually they're probably going to have whole planned communities printed by 3D printers. Let's see what this closet has, man. That's a quick look, guys. We're gonna go check out the outside real quick and see what it looks like around the, sides and back, okay? There's the front again. So they only have a carport right here, no garage for this one. So, and I guess you can't really get around the back. You just kind of run into the other ones here because it's 4 houses. It's like a little 4-house community. So let's see, let's go back here. Yep, nothing really back there. So, what do you think? Is it worth the money? If they start printing out houses within 5 days, or a little more since they got to build the rest of it. Wow, I mean, you guys think it's gonna take off? I'm waiting for the stock. See you in the next video.